Types of programming languages. What does programming language mean? A programming language is a way for humans to give instructions to a computer so it can perform tasks. In simple words, programming language equals a language used to talk to computers. It is used to write programs, build apps and websites, control machines, solve problems. So, programming language equals rules plus commands plus instructions for computers. Why are there different types of programming languages? Not all problems are the same. Some languages are made for speed, simplicity, web development, mobile apps, games, data processing. That's why programming languages are divided into different types based on how close they are to hardware, how they are written, how they are executed, what they are mainly used for. Main types of programming languages. Programming languages are mainly grouped into low-level languages, high-level languages, and also into procedural languages, object-oriented languages, scripting languages, low-level programming languages. Low-level languages are very close to machine language. They are hard for humans to read but easy for computers to understand. They include machine language, assembly language. They work very fast, control hardware directly, are difficult to write, are not user-friendly. Example idea. Computer understands 10,101,010. Humans don't. So low-level languages talk directly to hardware. High-level programming languages. High-level languages are easy for humans to read and write. They look more like English. They are easy to learn, are user-friendly, are portable, run on many systems, hide hardware details. Examples: Python, Java, C++, JavaScript. These are used to make apps, build websites, create software, develop games. Procedural programming languages. Procedural languages work step by step. They follow a sequence of instructions. They focus on functions, procedures, steps. In simple words, procedure equals a set of steps to solve a problem. Example idea: take input, process data, show output. So, problem is solved using steps. Object-oriented programming languages. OOP. Object-oriented languages work using objects. Object equals data plus actions together. They focus on classes, objects, reusability, real-world modeling, real-life example, car object, data equals color, speed, action equals drive, stop. So, OOP languages model real-world things. Scripting languages. Scripting languages are used for automation and small tasks. They are often interpreted, run line by line. They are used for web pages, automation, server scripts, small programs. They are easy to write, run quickly, don't need heavy setup. Example use: making a website interactive. Compiled languages. Compiled languages are converted into machine code before running. This is done using a compiler. They run very fast, are checked before execution, give errors before running. Flow. Code means compiler means machine code means run. Interpreted languages. Interpreted languages run line by line. They use an interpreter. They are easy to test, run slower than compiled, show errors while running. Flow. Code means interpreter means run. Real-life example. Language types. Think of languages like vehicles car. Low-level language equals manual car. Full control. Hard to use. High-level language equals automatic car. Easy to drive. Less control. Different vehicles for different roads. Different languages for different tasks. Why it matters. If you understand types of programming languages, checkmark you can choose the right language. Checkmark you understand how programs work. Checkmark you learn faster. Checkmark you avoid confusion. Checkmark you write better code without knowing types. Crossmark you don't know which language to learn. Crossmark you get confused. Crossmark you waste time. Common beginner confusion. Beginners often think all languages are same. Don't know compiled versus interpreted. Don't understand low versus high level. Get confused by many language names. This happens because they don't know language categories. Simple definition. Types of programming languages equals different categories of languages based on how they work and what they are used for. Summary. Programming languages are divided into types. Checkmark low level and high level. Checkmark procedural, object-oriented, and scripting. Checkmark compiled and interpreted. Each type has its own purpose, has its own use, solves different problems. There is no best language. There is only the right language for the job.